Hello everybody, myself Nidhi Joshi, and in today's session I am going to discuss about what is a binary tree traversal. So in my session I will be discussing what is a tree traversal and what are operations that we are approaches with which approaches that we are using. We are using the in order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal, and after that is the tree creation. If we are having any of these two notations, so how we can construct the binary search tree. So first, what is a binary tree traversal? So to proceed with the topic, first we'll see what is a traversing. The traversing means visiting each node exactly once. While traversing the binary tree, we have to treat each node and its subtree in the same manner. So the certain notation that I am using, if I am this notations, some notations are used. First is L, like move left. Second is D, so we have to print the data at the current node, and third one is we have to move right. So out of this 6 possible combinations are there, that is left, right, D, left, that is D, R. D is nothing, that is the root node or the current node. So next is DLR, DRL, RLD and RDL. So here our main purpose, the main motto, we have to visit each and every node exactly once. So certain traversing technique we are using. First is in order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. So let us see what is an in order traversal. So in the in order traversal, first we'll visit the left node, after that root node, or at last we are visiting the right node. So left node, root node and the right node. So here we move towards the left node, then visit that node. After that we are visiting the parent of that node and then move toward the rightmost node. The basic principle in the in order traversal is traversing the left subtree, then root node and the right subtree. For our remembrance, we are keeping in the mind like certain notation: left, then the root node, the parent node or the root node and the right node. So here if we consider this tree, so the in order traversal is first we are visiting the left child node, root node, the parent node or the right child node. After that we are visiting the root node and F, E, G, that is the left child, parent node and the right child. So this is the in order traversal. This is the algorithm. Here what we are doing, we are traversing the left subtree. After that we are printing the root node and then we are printing the right subtree. So here the time complexity will be is the order of n, as walking each and every node exactly once. So next we'll see what is a pre-order traversal. In this type of the traversal, the data at the root node is printed first, then we move to the left subtree and then at last we are traversing the right subtree. First what we are doing, the root node, left child and right child. So again we had considered the same example of the tree. So first what we are doing, we are visiting the root node A, after that the left child, that is the root B, C and D. And at last what we are doing, we are visiting the right child node of the root node. So E, F, G. So this is the pre-order traversal. In the pre-order traversal, first we are visiting the parent node, then left child node, and third one is the right child node. So this is the algorithm. So this algorithm, like first we are visiting the root node, second we are visiting the left child node, and then right child node. So if we are talking about the time complexity is of the order of n, because every time we are visiting each node exactly once. And the third traversal that is remaining is the post order traversal. In the post order traversal, first we are traversing the left subtree, then we are moving towards the right subtree, and at last we are visiting the root node of that tree. So to understand this, let us consider this tree again. First, what we are doing, we are visiting the left child, that is the D, then right child E, then the root node, not the root node or the parent node that we are visiting. So that is B. So after that what we are doing, we are visiting the right child, that is F. After that left child of the right child node, then the right child of the right child node, and then the parent node, and at last what we are doing, we are visiting the parent node. So our procedure is left child, right child and the root node. So here this is the algorithm. So in this algorithm we are visiting the left subtree, right subtree and the root. So if I am talking about the time complexity is of the order n, because in every time we are visiting each node exactly once. So here let us consider this question. Not the question, consider this tree, and here our purpose is to determine the in order, pre-order and the post order. So if I am talking about the in order, in the in order what we are doing, first we are visiting, in the in order traversal we are visiting the left child node, after that we are visiting the root node, and after that we are visiting the right node. So if we are following the in order traversal, first we are visiting the 4, after that the root 2, and after that 5, and at last we are visiting the root node and the right child. So if we are going for the pre-order traversal, it means first we are visiting the root node, the left child and the right child. So the 1, 2, 4 and 5, after that the right child 3. So if we are following the post order, in the post order first we are visiting the left child, then right and the parent node, not the root node. So that is 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. So this is the post order. Here if we see like all the nodes, like how many nodes are there, it's from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 nodes are there. Each node is visited exactly once. One more tree is there. So even for that same tree we had computed the in order traversal, pre-order traversal and post order traversal in the same way. So in fact for the same also, this third problem also, this problem also we can easily determine. So if we'll consider one more example, here if we are computing the in order traversal, the in order traversal is D, B, A, G, D, B, A, E, G, C, H, F, I. So if we are computing the post order of this problem, post order first is D, after that B, after that G, E, H, I, F, C and A. Even for this, if we are computing the pre-order traversal of this graph, so that is A, pre-order, in the pre-order first we are visiting the root node left and the right child. A, B, D, G, K. After that we are visiting H, L, M. After that we are visiting C and E. So this is the pre-order traversal. So while I was discussing in the content, like how we can create the tree from the basic tree traversal. The basic tree traversal, till now we knew that it's in order traversal, pre-order traversal or post order traversal. So it is possible to predict, it is possible to find the binary tree, to form the binary tree using or with any at least two traversals. If we are having, then we can easily find the binary search tree of that. We can easily draw the binary search tree for that. So if we are having this in order, so the in order, in the in order, what approach we are having? First we are visiting the left node and R. So if we are having this in order sequence, so the two possibilities can be there. So with this we cannot predict like which one is correct. So if we are having more than one traversal, then predicting the tree or drawing the tree will be very efficient and very easily, and one important thing is very correctly. So let us consider one example. We are having post order and in order. In the post order, like what approach we are using? First we are visiting the left, right and the root node, and the in order left parent node, left node, root node and the right child node. So if we are having the pre-order, post order, so the last node is the root node in the post order. The last node is A. So A is the root node. So upon seeing the in order, in the in order, what is this? So before A it is the left child, and after A that is the right child. So we had segregated the left child and the right child. We had separated which is the root node and the left child and the right child. So once again, if we see the left child H, D, I, B, E. So if I am seeing H, I, D, E, B, all those elements that are together. So here B is the root node, E is the right child node of B. How I came to know? After B, one element is there if I am looking in the in order. So what logic here I am using? So with the post order I can find the root node, and with the in order I can find the left and the right child of that tree. So in the post order, once again I had separated, I am resolving my problem in the coming step. So next we'll see. So HID is the left child. HID is the left child. So D is the root node, D is the root node, I is the right child node, H is the left child node that I had drawn in the third step. So remaining is my left child. So if I am seeing F, C, G, so C is the root node, F and G, F is the left child node, G is the right child node. So this is the required binary tree. If I am having any two traversal, with that traversal I can easily predict, I can easily determine or predict the root node, left child node and the right child node. So minimum 2 tree traversals are required to correctly and efficiently predict the binary search tree, the binary tree. So this is the pre-order. The second example that I had considered is of the pre-order and the in-order. So in the pre-order, what we are doing, first we are visiting the root node, left child and the right child. And in the in-order, what we are having the left child, parent node or the root node and the right child node. So if I am carefully looking for the pre-order, I will get the root node at the first place, whereas in the post order I am getting the root node at the last position. And with the in order I can easily predict the left child and the right child. So in that way I am moving and solving this problem. So in that way, so every time in the every step I am getting the root node, left child node and the right child node. So after this I got this is the required binary tree of the given two traversal, that is the pre-order and the in-order. So this question I had given it for the practice purpose. In order and the post order. With the post order will get the root node at the last place, and this is the left child and this is the right child. So in my session I had discussed what is a tree traversal, the three approaches that we are using, that is the in order, pre-order and the post order. In the in order, first we are visiting the left child node, after that we are visiting the root node, and at last we are visiting the right child node. Second, in the pre-order our traversal is like, first we are visiting the root node, after that left node, and then last the right child node. And in the post order, first we are visiting the left child node, then right child node, and at last we are visiting the root node. So after that I had discussed, like if we are having any of the two traversal notation, that is the pre-order and in order, post order and in order, if we are having any of this combination, we can easily find, correctly identify, correctly determine the binary tree. But the condition is that if we are having any of the notation pre-order or post order, then minimum requirement is for the in order. Is compulsory, because the in order will give the clarity about who are all the left child and who are all the right child. So if we are having the traversal order, then we can find out the binary tree for that, correctly and efficiently find out the binary tree for that problem. So that's all is there in my today's session. In case if you are having any problem, just let me know. You can contact me. Thank you.